Okay guys, in this video tutorial we will learn that how we can erase all the data in graph from an axis or from the figure, that is the plot figure or plot axis. First of all, we need to make one graph and then we will erase it from the axis. So we will insert some numbers like 1, 12, 6, 9, 3, 4, 7 and 14. Now this is our matrix, and now all the numbers are stored inside this matrix R. Then we will take sign of this entire matrix. When we will do sign of R, and it will take the sign of all the elements and store inside this U. After this we will plot this U. So we will run it. So we got our graph. Now we have to, if we want to erase the data from this axis, when we will press run, it's CLI, that is clear axis command. So when we will run it, you can see that we erased all the data from figure 1 or plot axis 1. So hopefully you got the concept. Thanks for watching.